Wow, look at this.
Everything because of her.
Salami picante.
Too much wasabi. Fire. Boom.
Welcome to JW Marriott Resort and Spa Phuket. We're staying at this beautiful property for 2 nights and 3 days, and we'd love to give you a little insight. This resort is huge. They have 3 pools, they have beautiful gardens, and many restaurants. Next up, we'll be heading to breakfast, and then we'll give you a tour of our beautiful premium room. And today, we'll also be having lunch at the only Benihana restaurant in Phuket, so we're really excited about that.
Here's a cup. This is the best thing of the day. Americano coffee. I have 2 omelets, 4 eggs, and a lot of chicken sausages. You are taking always beans with bacon, with chicken, with eggs, and everything.
I got a chicken and potato quesadilla, but look at this French toast. Why am I not surprised you got sausages? When you don't have a sausage McGriddle, but you get creative. This breakfast buffet is of superior quality. I love everything, and this is some of the best French toast I've ever had.
All kind of pastries, cereals, butter, milk. This huge island, and you have an open kitchen, so in this kitchen you can see absolutely everything what is happening, and this is so nice. They are working hard just for us. Some goodies here, and of course the front view to the ocean or to the sea. What is this, an ocean or a sea? Sea? Okay, so the view to the sea.
This is absolutely stunning. Now let's go show you our room. Welcome to our room at JW Marriott Resort and Spa. Let's start with a tour of our beautiful, beautiful bathroom. This bathroom is huge. I love the shower. It's a beautiful marble design, and here we have a nice bathtub overlooking the bedroom. It's an open space, which I love. This sink is beautiful. I really love the marble design. It's very, very elegant. Got some nice lotion over here and a lot of amenities. We have our mini bar area over here with some lovely coffee that we're gonna have later. I left some lotion here. We have a full mini bar with fresh sodas and wine. And here we have a very, very comfortable king-size bed that I can't wait to dive in and watch a movie. Thank you. And they brought us a lovely chocolate turtle. I love it. And we also have some macaroons in here. Let's see. How did they know macaroons are my favorite? Thank you, Marriott. And over here, my favorite part of the room, that's this bed by the window. And come see this view. This is like a little reading nook over here by the window. Let's head outside. 2 nice lounge chairs over here, and let's head to the pool. We have a somewhat private pool. It's actually connected to the other bedrooms over here, and over there we can see the sea. We have a beautiful garden. We'll give you a tour a little bit later. We'll go walk around and show you a little bit more of the property.
I will eat the head first. I was thinking that is like a cake. This is an entire chocolate. Wow, very good chocolate, like in Switzerland. Has some wafers in it. Guess what? Now we are going to Benihana to eat some quality food. So if you want to see what they are offering, just stay with us in the video. It's so simple.
It's really, really hot out today. How many degrees do you think?
59.
Yeah, it feels like it. Definitely.
Not Fahrenheit, chances. What a beautiful weather. And what a view that we have. Saudi Cup, Saudi Cup. Do you have any idea where is Benihana?
Wrong way.
I'm going down.
Yeah, beside the dairy.
Okay.
I'm in the building.
Okay. Okay, Kapun Cup. Thank you so much. Apparently, Benihana is downstairs. Now we are here. I was thinking that this is downstairs, but apparently it's not. Benihana. Like this and left. We can also play some chess. Some huge chess.
This property is so big. We keep getting lost on our way to lunch.
It's the biggest resort that I saw in my life.
Yes.
The biggest one. This Benihana is the only Benihana in Phuket. So this is something unbelievable because it's here on the property of JW Marriott.
Woo! Hello, Sawadee. We're excited. We're hungry. What should we have? There's so many options.
I think too much wasabi. Woo.
Hi. Sawadee. My name is Chef Ben. Go! Welcome to Benihana. Arigatou gozaimasu. Bell pepper, pumpkin, broccoli, carrot, and string beans. Hi. Sawadee ka. Enjoy, please. Fire. Boom. Kill chicken. Hey.
Oh, let's try this. Fantastic.
Welcome to Benihana. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. See, ninja. Woohoo! Goodbye, Snake. Thank you so much, Kap. Arigato.
Cup. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Love you. Arigato gozaimasu.
Thank you.
A little bit of salt on this medium Wagyu beef. It looks.
I'm gonna pair this with the mustard white sauce. It's fantastic. Wow. Also, fried rice.
Sayonara. Thank you so much.
The meat and the salmon and everything is so fresh. Wagyu beef, so that one is an amazing meat. Benihana is known for their best fried rice. So let's try it. I love rice from the bottom of my heart, but now we will try that.
I'm gonna need some help with this meat. It's a lot of meat, but I am obsessed with this sauce over here. It pairs really well with the Wagyu. It gives it like a creamy, fresh taste. Perfect. And it's the only time I really enjoy my veggies. We are full on our way to do a little garden tour. Where are you at?
I'm extremely full. Those 8,000 baht experience was nice.
Very worth it. 8,000 baht.
Sawadee kap. Okay, Kapun Kap, thank you so much. Thank you.
Go, let's go.
We are not going to the gym, we are trying to go to a garden tour, so that's why we are going straight to the gym because they are the point of the meeting. Sawadee Kap. We arrived just in time.
Yeah, so that's the garden tour. They're walking very fast, and so I'm not doing that right now.
Actually, they are walking really fast.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. I thought we might have like a golf cart or something. I think we should just go rest a little after lunch and do this on our own later.
You can see there's an old lady and she's keeping up.
Yeah, we lost them. They're way ahead of us now. I'm not even gonna bother to reach. Okay, let's go film that a little bit. Let's
You
go
know that
check it out.
she's from Hua Hin?
You're from Hua Hin? I love Hua Hin. We
Nice.
just come from Benihana, so we eat so much.
We have some videos in Hua Hin, so we have the link in the description.
Oh, this is very nice. So, yeah.
They have flowers gardening
So,
here.
veggies. They have veggies. Eggplant.
Peppermint.
Thank you. Oh, like chili over there. They actually have butterfly pea. Is this the butterfly pea?
Yes, this one.
I love it. This is very good in drinks and desserts. Like really yummy.
Vietnamese. We have videos from Vietnam. If you want, you can take a look.
This is really pretty. They provide a tour of their garden, so you can see they use really fresh ingredients. Love to stay and do a longer tour, but for some reason, all the mosquitoes are drawn to me and they keep stinging me, so I think it's time to go.
I knew that they have a tennis court, but this one is really nice. Maybe we can play some tennis tonight. It will be nice. You can rent some bike.
They're actually free.
They are free, but you can take them to take a ride. Let's show you the gym a second. This is the gym, so we can come here to train. I was here yesterday night and they have a lot of equipment. The biggest dumbbell is 30 kilograms, so this is nice. You have some machines for your backs, for your lats. You have a Stairmaster. Also, you have a lot of equipment for cardio. If you are in flip-flops like me, they will give you some shoes.
That's amazing.
Listen, it is.
They also offer energy drinks here. That's so cool. This is refreshing and cold towel.
I'm gonna stay a little bit into the swimming pool because I really want to relax.
Bye. Okay, let's go test the waters. It's really hot out today, so it's time for a swim. Okay, here we are ready for dinner. We ate a lot at Benihana, but somehow we have to make some space now because we're going to Italian restaurants.
The only problem is that I'm stuffed, I'm full. I will not eat so much, but what can we do? We
We'll
need to
try
eat.
it.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, we have a reservation. Only me, he's fine, no allergies. Hi.
What do you think?
I think it's perfect.
First impressions?
Oh, it's really nice and cozy in here. It's very sunny, but we do have a beautiful view of the sea. Here we are at Cooina restaurant at JW Marriott, and we cannot wait to try their food.
Can't wait to try their Italian food.
Okay, we're gonna catch the sunset.
Oh, I love sunsets.
Oh my god, this is so hot.
My way to lose weight, to lose that fat, it's almost impossible. You know, Mission Impossible? This is Mission Impossible.
Have some
I
warm
just
bread.
want to lose the weight, but the bread is so hot. Even the bread, it will be many more videos that you will see me fat. It is what it is.
Over here we have some delicious beef carpaccio, and over here we have some melon and prosciutto. But I'm most excited to dig into this bread with balsamic vinegar and oil. That's all I'm having. Let me put you a plate and some parmesan. There you
More
go.
fat, thank you.
You're welcome.
It's melting in your mouth instantly. It's so good. We have some melon with prosciutto crudo, and now it's the moment to try this thing.
Try it with the melon.
With the melon, of course, but first I need to buy this one, right?
Ooh. Full mouth, a little too much at once. Why aren't you speaking to me? Okay.
Where are we going?
We're going outside to see the sunset. Sunset tonight. Wow. Wow, look at this.
You are beautiful.
Thank you. It's like in the magazine. So perfect.
So they are charging 100 baht to take some photos with the elephants.
That's crazy.
Everything because of her.
Thank you. That was a gorgeous sunset.
In this world, you will find a lot of coconut. But the thing is, the coconut from Thailand is the best.
Oh, this pizza looks perfect. Dinner is served and it looks fantastic. We have some braised lamb shank with red wine sauce, lobster and prawn tagliatelle, and we have some salami picante pizza. This is actually yours, but oh, I want to have some of this.
This is a very important test for us, the mashed potatoes.
This lamb is still, I don't even like lamb like that. This is amazing. I'm so curious what you think of this.
Ooh, it's so tender that I don't really need a knife. Oh my god.
It's the best lamb I've had.
Sadly and happily, I will not lose some weight very soon.
Not tonight.
I don't know if I need to be sad or to be happy.
That glaze though, look at that glaze.
It will be a shame not to eat this lamb tonight.
Let's try the pasta. Their pasta is actually handmade, so I'm really curious to see the difference in the taste. That's some smooth pasta, that's really good. And it's spicy. Over here we have some squid, some prawns, some lobster, so a little bit of everything. I think this is gonna be good.
The last but not the least,
From 1 to 10, what do you rate it?
it will be the best pizza for tonight movie.
Oh yeah, we can take it to go. And watch Netflix?
I have no idea what's happening here. Dinner is over. Now they have a fire show on the property. Let's go check it out for a minute. We just got back and we are finding always something interesting into the room.
Cute.
We have
Turtles.
the experience of JW Marriott is absolutely stunning. This place is absolutely top notch. Everything is excellent. The staff is absolutely nice, and also the cleanness, the services, the food, absolutely everything here, it's incredible.
They make you feel so special and at home and just so comfortable. So thank you, JW Marriott, for having us. We had a lovely time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like it. So see you in the next one.
Bye.